coming at you. Jail. Lurking in the shadow. You know. Jail. Who you know can kick that dog shit? Roll up, run, spark shit. Not talking like you a narc and shit. Hustlers don't talk shit. What happens when life gets real? And you looking to make some deals. I hop in some hot wheels. Shoot homie, champagne pops, I don't care for spills. Enter mi casa, end up in landfills. No way to come back. I steamroll over tracks. Scroll back and watch me plan my attack. On the cap, homie, this grown man not for rough rats. I'll show you the love. Reptilians get the slug, so on the track. Smoke out, lay back. Lay my hat, reverb the rack. Delay and lay my smack. Dope shit, leave homies flat. 100% raw fact. Have you dark like that.